Time to get ready for a stream. So weird to be alone without Maya. The stream is over. There are some news that the city is paralyzed by a blizzard. And the blizzard is gonna be around for more 2 days most likely. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be pretty chilly unless I don't know, go somewhere by foot. But we'll see if it's too snowy. I'm not gonna do that either. There's gonna be, I assume, probably lots of snow shoveling. I want to find a place where I could eat. But it's so cold. I'm gonna go to any place that is open and it serves anything for breakfast. It's so weird, you can't see the snow, but it's snowing very nicely. Oh, here we go. Who left this camera there? I need to dip, let's go. I had some brunch. I got just a random top. Maybe I'll be able to use it in my trip. Oh, it's quite nice if it wasn't so cold. It is pretty outside. It's just way too cold. You can see my face. It's like a whole situation of please go inside. It's funny because it was saying that there is no parking spaces in this parking lot. But if you're as stubborn as me, you know it's not true. You know someone parked in the wrong way and there's still a spot somewhere left. What's so cool is that you can see how people are driving more carefully right now, that everything is so snowy, so people are being careful and taking it slow, which is so cool. In the stores they keep playing Christmas music, but I appreciate that because Lithuanians tend to be grumpy, angry, sad, you know, all those emotions. So I feel like when they're playing that kind of music where you're supposed to take it slow and just be in the moment, I think it's for the better for the locals. Even if it's so overplayed, I still really appreciate that. Oh my god, my nose is so cold. I'm so red. I'm sorry. I should wear something like this all the time, so you only see my eyes. look at these cars and look at those piles of snow. It's like icing on cookies. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Wait. What if I'm gonna move it? Oh. No one is cleaning the sidewalk, so I'm not gonna walk there. And I'm back. Finally, it is. There's no way. There's no way this is the time. I was about to unbutton, but no. It's way too cold. I got these cute hairpins that are in different colors. I'm gonna put them in my hair for the concert. I think it's gonna look very, very cute. And I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna wear, to be honest. I was very tempted to wear something really cute, but then I thought it's gonna be very cold. Going to the concert when it's so cold, I feel like you just want to be comfy, and the best I'll be able to do is gonna be the hair, maybe, but even that, dude, I have no idea. I have no idea. I'll get going. I actually got the nice wrapping paper too, if you can see. Da 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 da. You don't see it. Okay. It's like pale pink with Christmas trees on. I was very tempted to get the black paper with golden stars, but then I thought maybe it might be too gloomy. I don't know. Like, it's stylish, but maybe it's not very festive looking. I've got my and Dar some Christmas gifts. Dun, dun, dun. Well, this one is definitely Christmassy toy, but I think they're gonna share this. This is one. I got them this to celebrate life. It's champagne for dogs. And then because Maya definitely has some sort of bow, I got Dar a cute little bow. It's very good because it has like a band on the side, so you just put it on the collar that he already has. He's gonna be a handsome boy. I washed my hair. It was so nice. I have a kettle because we're gonna make some wine. God, the back of my kitchen is so messy right now. If I won't be able to open this, there's not gonna be drinking. Where is this? It's made in Germany. Of course, dude. Of course. Germany. Germany Christmas markets are the best. I've been there to know. So proud. I'm putting a straight line across this. How is there Maya's hair in here? What? She's not here, but we can feel her presence. You know what? I noticed that when I'm alone, I actually become super funny. And thing is, there is someone laughing at my jokes. Me. I don't know, I amuse myself.